In this video, I will show you how to download, install, and create ISO file with powerISO. Open your browser, go to google.com, find powerISO, click on download. We can choose 32-bit and 64-bit. We need to check our PC is 32-bit or 64-bit. Okay, it is 64-bit. So we need to download 64-bit. After downloading it, directly to install. I agree. Install. Next. Close. It is finished install. This step, I will show you how to create ISO file with powerISO. First, select the file you want to create ISO. Right click, click on powerISO, add to image file. Choose select file format, standard ISO image. Click OK. It is finished. I will open it. Right click, open with Windows Explorer. It is OK. It is finished. Thank you.